So I have my 2024 Honda Civic Type R. And one thing that I'm gonna do, which I can't get over the fact, obviously got the LEDs in the front, the turn signals in the rear, reverse light, is the fact that on the rear, there's these incandescent bulbs for the turn signal and the reverse light. I'm surprised they really put an LED reverse light in there. It's a little annoying. Almost like it dates the car back a little bit, especially when you have all the LEDs for everything else. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. The last time I put an LED turn signal in the car was when I had my 2004 Acura TL. Back then, that was when LEDs were starting to rise. It was really rare to find LEDs at the market. I remember putting a resistor in and all the other things at the wire in. Hopefully this should be a plug and play. They say these are built in, that shouldn't hyper flash. So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna do turn signals and I'm gonna do the reverse light. All right, so for the turn signal is easy. You just get a hold of this little piece. You'll grab it. That's the best way to do it from here. All right, use the pry tool, get that off. Got 2 screws. You want to remove these screws. If you were changing this bulb to another one, say for example yours burnt out, you're changing the bulb, obviously don't handle the bulb. Your oils from your hands could prematurely burn out the light. So new one's gonna go in, similar fashion, and then unplug it in. Actually, hold on. So I meant to actually wiggle this bulb out like that. Make sure when you line up the prongs, the 2 metal parts, get lined up in the same location. Okay. And insert the bulb back in place. When you plug your light back in, just plugged in. Before I get everything all set, I'm just gonna set it there gently right now. I'm gonna turn on my hazard to make sure that these things work before I could commit to it. Thing with LEDs, mine didn't work just now. I had to flip it. So if yours doesn't work initially, flip the bulb in the socket and then try again. All right, it works. I'm gonna give it a good push here. So this is behind the driver's seat of my other car. You can see how the left side is in the shade. The right side is exposed in the sun, and it's still clear. It's even brighter than the left, and see how quick it is too. All right, next thing I'm gonna check is I'm gonna turn on the ignition, turn the turn signal on, see if it flashes. No hyper flash. Okay, for the reverse light, just gonna pop out this panel. So I got a different pry tool. Okay. And your reverse light is this one. Unplug it. counterclockwise twist. Oh boy, I dropped it. There it is. And there it is. And it's all the same bulb out in the same fashion. All right, new bulb is in. I recommend before you put everything back together again, just check the reverse. I'll show you how to do that now. You'll get into your car. Unplug the radar detector. Here, that one. So get into your car, press the start button once, twice to where you see this boot up. I just clutch down, reverse. E-brake still on. I can get out the car and I can check. The car reverse light should be on. You can see here. All right, everything's done. I'll show some pictures, especially when it's darker. Some video. I'm gonna save these. I'm gonna keep them in probably the lower portion of the car. The reason why I'm doing that, what if these fail and I need to swap them back out on the fly? I'm at far away from home or something like that. So yeah, I'll link all this in the description. Thanks for watching.